channel, US30 Masters. So we'll be analyzing today, as you can see there, on the 28th, this Monday. What could we be expecting? So I'll be starting on the daily. So as you can see on the daily, I'm gonna use repetitions, meaning I'm gonna check the previous days, the 28th, so I have the 28th there, the 28th there. I'm gonna check again the 28th, I have the 28th there. So I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna try to check if there's any similarities between this 28 and that 28. So what we can see about both of these 28 is that they came to reject something. So as you can see, this 28, it came to reject something, then it gave us the original direction. So even here, it retested something, then it gave us original direction. And as you can see, it bought for 3 days. So the bias was like 1, 2, 3. You can see 1, 2, 3, and then it changed direction. After the third, it changed direction. And I think even the dates are the same. It's the start of a new month. So it's gonna buy until the start of a new month. Even here, it bought until the start of a new month. So there's a higher chance that whatever direction it chooses is gonna continue it until the start of the new month, which will be on a Friday. So it's either we're gonna be seeing a sell until Friday, or we're gonna see a buy until a Friday. But let's look closely. So if you can check, if we look closely, we see that it came to reject a zone there. So we have a zone. I don't know if we have also a key level, but indeed we have a key level there and a zone. So the key level there, it's a good price to look at, which is the 250 there. So we have a key level and a zone. But if we check this 28, did it also do the exact same thing by rejecting a key level and a zone? So we see it rejected also a good area there, which is the 750, and it also rejected the zone there. So it rejected a zone and the key level. So here, as you can see, we're already buying. So we see that the 28th rejects the key level nicely. So if maybe I try to check the key level that is trying to approach, so the key level that it's trying to approach is the 550, if I'm correct, which is way up there. So it's kind of high, but it seems like we are approaching that. And as you can see, we also have 2 areas of support there. We have 2 areas of support. This area as a whole is already a zone. So it might be coming to we might be going to see sales for the next until Friday. So there's a very high chance we might be seeing according to the daily formations. But yeah, I'm not done. I'm not done. So as much as is, let's look out for the 3,550 key level on the US30. Look for that. And I'm analyzing using the wrong. Okay, let me leave it. So yes, so coming to the 3 hours. So on the 3 hours, what do we look for? So on the 3 hours, look for formations. That's what we look for. We want formations. So as you can see already, I see a young head and shoulder that formed that area. It gave us a buy. So we might be looking for that area to go for sales. So this area, and we know that it's a strong key level. And when we see a formation forming there, so if we look at the times that it should approach that area, we see that this time here, it was 3 o'clock. So this time there, that's 3 o'clock. And then if we check if do we have 3 this side, yes, we do have 3 this side, as you can see. So we have 3 this side. So we kind of hoping that this area will be touched at 3 o'clock. That's at least the hope, so that we can know that we are indeed taking the market to the sell side. So if we see the market coming there at that time, that will be good. So, and then we can see that we have broken the zone there. So we also have 3-hour zones that we can look at, and we see that we kind of having a break in market structure there. So if we do come back to retest, we can also be looking for buys at that area. So I could say the price there could be close to 34427. As you can see, it's shown below there. That's the price that we could be looking at, 34430. Once it closes above, that's the price we'll be looking at for it to come back for buys until that price of the 34,450, 34,550. And then we also see a nice zone at that area with the 3 hours. We see this zone with the 3 hours. So the zone is also good. That confirms that this area is indeed a good resistance that we should look out for. So this won't be easy to break this area due to that area there. So but yeah, so we could be looking for it coming back to retest, but yeah, this area will be good. So the price level that the 34,500, also watch out for that price. It might also act as a suitable resistance that takes the market a bit down to this resistance, taking it back to the 34,550 price level. So let's watch out for this price level. So that's on the 3 hours. And then moreover, also what I would look at is try to draw trend lines. Okay, so this trend it's complete, I could say. My screen there ran away from me, but I'm back. So I don't know if that trend is complete, or maybe I'm doing too much with the trend, but yeah, that's something I see there. It's a nice trend, and also right there. But this, yeah, it's also a nice trend. So this is an uptrend. Yes, this is a downtrend. Yeah, this is good. So this is the trends that I'll be looking out for. And coming to the 1 hour, obviously with the 1 hour, it makes the 3-hour zones to be a little bit in the way. So I'm just gonna remove it. So in the 1 hour, so that's when I check for my zones properly. So I wanna check for my zones properly. So this area is indeed a good support that is willing to take the market down. But we can see that it's a repetition. So if you check here, we had this consolidation that took the market up, then it sold, and we see it happening again there. We had a consolidation is taking a market up, so we're gonna expect sells, and we had it again there, a consolidation that takes the market up so that it can sell. So, and we also had it again there, but here it was a bit huge, where the market consolidates, breaks out, then sells, market consolidates, breaks out, then sells, and then immediately after it sells, it's going to come back and retest the consolidation, because as you can see, we came back to retest the consolidation for sales. Can you see? So consolidation, break out, sell, retest consolidation, sell, consolidation, break out, sell, retest consolidation, retest, break out, sell. Okay, here we didn't have a retest of this consolidation, so let me not include the consolidation. This is not a fixed thing. What is fixed is consolidation, break out, sell, consolidation, manipulation, accumulation. That's what we call it. It's consolidation, manipulation, accumulation, consolidation. We're expecting manipulation and accumulation. So with the 1 hour, we can see that it's confirming that we should be buying, looking for buys at that area, but the original formation is that we should be looking for sells. So let's watch out indeed for that area. So I'm just gonna remove that and see if I can find any minor. I see a minor one here that's not been retested. That's like a small minor zone that's not been retested. There's another confirmation that this area is. So we have many confirmation that this area, guys, we're gonna struggle. So I'm not saying it's gonna be impossible. I'm saying it's gonna be hard. So if it's gonna be hard, meaning there is very high probability that this is a safe place to sell. That's all I'm saying. It's safe, not that it's impossible. Can't break it as easy as that, but yeah, we're gonna be also looking for that area there for a support for a market to come there at least at 3 o'clock. If it does work, we want 3 o'clock to get there. Yeah, that's 3. We only want 3 or 12 to get there for the beautiful sell there. But yeah, let's watch out for that area. And on the downside, coming to this, so if we're looking for the downside, maybe market struggling, we don't have much here, but let's maybe head into the 15 minutes and try to see if we can find anything on the 15 minutes. My network is bad, but okay. If my network is back, I think I should conclude it there. I think it's enough. So yeah, thank you for joining. So if you want to learn about the time zone trading, or you don't want to miss out on the signals that I'm going to send, signals are free. So just hit the description below. You're going to join our Telegram group, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Support the channel. So yeah, I think that's that. If we sell, we break above, we consolidate, we buy. We sell, we break, we create a gap, we consolidate, we buy. So this is just a repetition. So there's a very high chance, yes, we might be looking for sells at these times there between 3 and 4. And what did I say? I said Vela, it's true. We are expecting sales at what? At 3 o'clock. So they are everything at the moment is confirming. But yeah, we shall see how it works out. We shall see how it works out. You know how the market is. The market can surprise you. The market can truly surprise you. So yeah, we good. We good. We good. Sharp, guys.